All right, so let me quickly show you how you can restore your old photos back to life. I mean, you can bring it back to life. You can actually make money doing this. There are just some people that want their photos restored, but they don't know how to. So you can actually make money doing this, and it's for free. So let me show you how. All right, for this tutorial, we're going to be using ChatGPT. All right, so come over to your ChatGPT and click on this. Okay, when you click here, you see camera, photos, and files. So you want to click on photos. You are kind of limited. All right, not you're kind of, you're limited. Okay, so I have actually uploaded like 3, so I cannot do anything right now with the photos again until maybe a couple of hours, maybe like 17 hours or 15 hours or 16 hours. Then I can come back and continue to use it. Okay, so it's a limited version. Okay, now you bring your pictures in, you insert, bring the photos, the old photos that you want to use, just import it in. And I've gone ahead to, I went to Google to get this. All right, so I wrote restore this back to colorful HD. All right, so this is a very old photo. Restore this back to colorful HD. Then ChatGPT went ahead to ask, do you want me to colorize the image, add realistic color to the black and white, enhance it to HD quality, or you'd want both? I say I want both. Now this is what I got. All right, I mean, this is cool. Okay, this is cool. I think this is in the 16:9 aspect ratio, and this is in the 9:16 aspect ratio. So you can see now that there was not much space. So what you want to do is you want to ensure that if the photo that you're using is in 16:9, ensure you tell ChatGPT to generate it in 16:9, so that you can get the space, the needed space that you have, especially in photos like this. Okay, where we have a lot of people in just one photo. Okay, so if it's 16:9, go ahead to do that. If it's 9:16, go ahead to do that. Okay, and for those that don't know, 16:9 is for YouTube, like all those YouTube long form where you're watching me right now. Okay, this 16:9, but if it's for short and the rest of them, that is 9:16. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT gave. Yeah, and I'm seeing a lot of similarities. I mean, this is cool. Then I went further to bring this one in. I imported this one in, so I said restore this back to colorful HD quality. Okay, and ChatGPT gave me this. You can see it. I mean, how cool is this? This is cool. This is amazing. Okay, and you know what ChatGPT did? You can see she is not even looking directly at the camera here. Okay, you can see she's not looking directly at the camera. You can see the features here, but right here she is looking directly into the camera. She's looking directly into the camera, and you can see that the wrinkles are not so much, okay, as the original photos. Okay, and the hair is looking, still healthy. Okay, so ChatGPT has gone to really enhance it. Okay, okay, so I went further to bring this little cute baby's picture. I said the same thing. I said, okay, I want you to help me to restore this back to colorful HD quality. And of course ChatGPT did the same. This little chummy has our own photo shoot or by herself, and this is so cute. I mean, this is so cute. Okay, right here she's putting on a socks. All right here she's putting on his socks, but here ChatGPT said, okay, I think I want her to be barefooted. Now, how to actually correct this is, if you're going to do this, instead of just allowing ChatGPT to do what it wants to do, you just have to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. Tell ChatGPT the same features, all the details, everything remains intact. Ensure that you prompt ChatGPT on what you want it to do. I mean, this is cool. So you can go ahead to even change this baby's clothes. And that's all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Please do well to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bye for now.